Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show at home. Have you tried any new recipes recently? I will show you how to cook a delicious, flavorful, vegetarian rice pilaf with butternut squash and chickpeas. You'll find a list of ingredients in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe. We'll need 2 large sweet red or white onions, 2 carrots, 1 whole head of garlic, half of a small butternut squash, and a small chili. Mine is mild, not too spicy. 1 cup of vegetable oil. I use corn oil. I don't recommend using olive oil, it burns easily. Salt, crushed black pepper to taste, and a mix of pilaf spices containing 1 teaspoon each of cumin, ground turmeric, and coriander. I'll start with the chickpeas. Drain them. Heat all the oil in a large pot, or better, a Dutch oven. Throw in 1 chickpea first to see if the oil is hot enough. It should start to bubble intensively. When it does, throw in all the chickpeas and fry them for about 5 minutes on high heat. While they are frying, I'll dice the onion. When the chickpeas are done, remove them with a skimmer and put the onion into the pot. Keep frying on high heat. Dice the carrots into sticks about 1/4 by 2 inches. Check the frying onion. When you see the bubbling is clear, you can add the diced carrot. Dice the squash into bite-sized pieces. Once again, add it when you see the bubbling is clear. Then throw back the fried chickpeas. Add a chili and whole head of garlic. Add 3 cups of hot, boiling water. Next, salt, pepper, and the mix of spices. Reduce the heat, cover, and cook for about 15 minutes. While it is simmering, drain the rice. When it is time, add the rice to the pot. Don't mix it with the veggies, just flatten the top to cover it with the liquid evenly. Turn the heat to maximum, keep it uncovered, and watch the liquid level. The rice will cook for about 20 minutes. If you see it has soaked up all the liquid too quickly, add some more to cover by about 1/2 inch. If the time is almost up but you still have a lot of liquid covering the rice, take something like a chopstick and make 5 to 6 holes through the rice and veggies to the bottom of the pot. This will help the liquid evaporate faster. Turn the heat down, cover with a lid and a kitchen towel, and leave to rest for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, it takes time, but believe me, it's worth it. After 10 to 15 minutes, open and serve. At the end, mix everything together. Enjoy! Please, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!